Various arms of this machine cave in on themselves to bend metal. A comforter is tightly spooled on an automated arm for packaging and delivery. An automatic arm drops down to fasten, rotate, and peel a coconut in seconds. Rotating robotic arms are used to wrap bales of hay in seconds. Mechanical parts move simultaneously to bind the links on a heavy-duty chain. Noodles are sheared to the exact size and tossed into boiling water by a double-arm machine. The arm of this pasta cutting machine rotates in a circular motion in order to cut ribbed elbow pasta. This machine's 6 distinct arms each perform a different task in order to produce a perfectly coiled heavy-duty spring. A vertical table saw blade is used to quickly cut identical ice block pieces to size. Concentric rings on a new saucepan is exposed due to rapid rotation from a sharp blade. This machine utilizes 2 rotating parts to produce the same exact size thread every time. A circular pipe is fed into a pipe deformation machine, which converts it to a square shape. rotating wire brush cleans up a curb full of weeds. A clogged pipe is cleared out using a power wash with an adjustable arm. This machine constructs chain link fences in seconds.